All right. Intro to defensive security. Let's see what we have in here. Offensive security focuses on one thing: breaking into systems. Breaking into systems might be achieved through exploiting bugs, abusing insecure setups, and taking advantage of unenforced access control policies, among other things. Red teams and penetration testers specializes in offensive security. Defensive security is somewhat the opposite of offensive security, as it's concerned with two main tasks: preventing intrusion from occurring and detecting intrusion when they occur and respond properly. Blue teams are part of the defensive security landscape. Some of the tasks that are related to defensive security include user cyber... Interesting. Some of the tasks that are related to defensive security include user cybersecurity awareness. Training users about cybersecurity helps protect against various attacks that target their systems. Next one, lose some weight, mate. Third one, documenting and managing assets. We need to know the types of systems and devices that we have to manage and protect properly. Updating and patching systems, ensuring that computer servers and networks devices are correctly updated and patched against any known vulnerabilities. Setting up preventative security devices, firewalls, and intrusion prevention systems are critical components of preventative security. Firewalls control what network traffic can go inside and what can leave the system or network. Intrusion prevention systems block any network traffic that matches present. So, IPS blocks any network traffic that matches present rules and attack signatures. Setting up login and monitoring devices without proper login and monitoring on the network, it won't be possible to detect malicious activity and intrusions. If a new unauthorized device appears on our network, we should be able to know. Definitely. There is much more of defense security, and the list above only covers a few common topics. Okay, in this room we cover Security Operations Center, threat intelligence, digital forensics and incident response, and malware analysis. Which team focuses on defensive security? Well, I will say blue team. Whoop. All right.